How to copy files? How do I copy a file in Python?
Shuttle has many methods you can use, one of which is copy the contents of the file named src to a file named dsd. Both src and dsd need to be the entire file name of the files, including path. The destination location must be writable, otherwise, an IOR exception will be raised. If dsd already exists, it will be replaced. Special files such as character or block devices and pipes cannot be copied with this function. With copy, src and dsd are path names given as strs. Another shuttle method to look at is shuttle.copy2. It's similar but preserves more metadata, for example timestamps. If you use os.path operations, use copy rather than copyfile. Copyfile will only accept strings.
Copy to src, dsd is often more useful than copy file src, dsd because it allows dsd to be a directory instead of the complete target file name, in which case the base name of src is used for creating the new file. It preserves the original modification and access info, time and attime, in the file metadata. However, this comes with a slight overhead. Here is a short example.
In Python, you can copy the files using shuttle module, os module, subprocess module. One, copying files using shuttle module. Shuttle.copyfile signature. Shuttle.copy signature. Shuttle.copy to signature. Shuttle.copy fileobj signature. Two, copying files using os module. os.open signature. os.system signature. Three, copying files using subprocess module. Subprocess.call signature. Subprocess.check_output signature.